Mr. Wilkinson, I need you to focus, a little more. And then I'll let you rest, all right? So, what can you tell me about those drawings you made? Can you tell me who this is?
Doctor, do you know who that is?
No. No, I don't. So, you told me it was night, raining, on the number 45 of.
Overlook Street.
Exactly. And you were a woman?
My voice sounded like that of a woman's.
Okay, one last thing. Any particular feelings at this moment? Any vivid sensations?
I could hear, see, speak, and feel.
Good. Mm. He knows.
Dr. Vincent Smith, answer me. Honestly this time. Was it all real?
Yes. But if Wilkinson knows, maybe it will stop working. He must take the pills. The yellow pills. The ones that make him forget.
Thank you, good doctor. We will now conclude this interview.
Very well. As you wish. But he must take the pills for his own safety. Thank you for your precious collaboration. I'm sure, Wilkinson, your nightmares will end. I'm pretty sure about that.
Not if I don't get involved a little bit.
Welcome, Wilkinson. At last we finally meet. How wonderful. This is inside my head. I hope you like it. Perhaps I should introduce myself. Or maybe you already know me a bit too well. Accounting of all the times where I felt your gaze on me. But if I knew that another one like me existed.
What?
Well, yes. As skilled as I am, you don't escape the police for that long without a little help. But like two magnets in the deserts, it seems that you were meant to find me.
Let me go!
Impressive. But don't exhaust yourself. Unlike you, I have trained for years to be able to enter anyone's mind effortlessly. You are barely a monkey, discovering how to light up a fire. Dazzled by all this light, you don't know how to control it. But don't worry, I'm going to put some blinders on you. This way, you'll be just like everyone